Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to generate income with Amazon affiliates and YouTube. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to start earning money with Amazon affiliates and YouTube. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but there's multiple ways to make money with Amazon affiliates and YouTube, and this is just one of the ways. The way that I've structured my channel is that you can see here Betterment Reviews has 179 subscribers, but it's making around $300 per month in Amazon affiliates. Now the way that I structure my video content is that I like to compare similar items against one another. So for this example here, you'll see that I'm comparing camping tables together, I'm comparing dog cooling mats together. Over here, I'm comparing indoor electric grills together. Over here, I'm comparing space heaters together. So within my videos, I compare similar items against one another. And then also within my video, I'll actually mention which one I think is best. So that's been really helpful at getting these videos to convert, where I'll compare similar items together and then I'll mention which one I think is best. So that's what I recommend you do so as well, as far as one of the ways to actually go ahead and generate an income through Amazon affiliates and YouTube. Of course, you can still review the single individual items like what you see over here. So over here, I'm comparing just one space heater. Over here, I'm comparing a snowboard bag. But do what you think is best and what works for you. I've just found out that over time, these videos, 10 out of my 12 most popular videos are still getting views to this day, even though it's been more than a year. But if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.